Tired of folks tagging you without asking first? By default, when someone tags you, it just pops up on your Instagram profile out of the blue. But if you switch on manual tag approval, you get to call the shots. And in this video, I'll walk you through how to set that up on your Instagram. Ready to dive in? Let's roll! First of all, open up Instagram on your iPhone. Then tap on your profile picture from the bottom bar. Next, tap the hamburger menu icon from the top right corner of the screen. After that, tap on Settings and Privacy from here. Now, scroll down a bit and find the Tags and Mentions option. Then tap on it. Now, from the How You Manage Tags section, toggle on Manually Approve Tags. And then tap on Turn On from this pop-up. Starting now, if someone tags you in photos or reels, you won't spot them on your profile right away. Instead, you gotta head over here, hit Review, then tap on Pending Tags, and voila! You'll find all those tags waiting for you. So that's how you turn on the Manually Approved Tags feature in Instagram on iPhone. If the video proved to be useful, smash that like button. And if you're thirsty for more Instagram tips, hit that subscribe button. We're cooking up a storm with new Instagram content every day. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.